Okay, they're going to explain what's going on for the next day or two.
The guy over there in the front.
Yeah.
Here, that's Gary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I work with his son.
Oh,
I
okay.
used to anyway.
Can you
guys, take it from there.
can you go again?
What? No.
Oh, everything's fine.
Oh,
Knocked out later on tonight.
does anybody need a chair? I think we have a couple extras somewhere along the way.
I enjoy a good smoke later. I like a fish.
You definitely look something.
You
You want me to get Rick?
When my son dialed, they got 2 minutes.
They got 2 minutes.
Annual Northwoods Rendezvous and Wild Rice Festival. The importance of this is, and I'll be short-winded, this is tribe sponsored. This is the Mole Lake Band of Lake Superior Ojibwe sponsoring an event like this to show what it was like to live in the early 1800s to mid 1800s. And it's been a labor of love of mine, and we recruited what we consider the best to be here. And there are some that'll be here next year. And that's all I've said. It's a grand thank you. We're doing things a little different. Wisconsin Traditional Archers is here. Try something different. Some of Wisconsin Muzzleloader Association. We're going to try things next year to attract the youth to our sport, our application, our passion, I guess you can call it, is what we need to do. Some housekeeping going on, and Jim is coming here. We have firearms, we have muzzleloader shooting for the youth, we have hawk and knife throwing, and we have archery. Each one of those has a chief range officer. Jim Swanson is taking care of the firearm, the muzzleloader range. He is the range officer. His word is the end. If there's a problem, you come to me. He has several assistants, and I'm sorry, the young lady next to him, her name is Kim. Jesse will be there also. Danny Madsen will be there also, running the range, running the kids through. Mark Conklin will be Chief Range Officer of the archery range with a cadre of gentlemen from the WTA. You want to snap and introduce yourselves? I'm horrible at names.
George Henrik, I'm from Merrill.
Dennis Hinleiner from Tomahawk, Wisconsin.
John Erdman from Rome, Wisconsin.
And Doug Curler from Deerbrook.
Welcome. This is something new we're going to trying, and I think it's going to work. Rick Holtz is trying to get his lodge set up, but he will be the chief range officer there, and we have Brian there, Brian Joyner, and Martin Ferrari also will be helping out. And again, they're running the range. Anybody that's running the range during Youth Day, unless the child has a permission slip from his parents or guardian, they don't shoot, they don't throw, they don't shoot. That's part of the agreement with the sponsoring body. As you know.
No, you're good. And the school, when they arrive, the school will already have those permission slips in order and know which of the children are allowed to do which activities.
If they're, and if they want to come back Saturday or Sunday and give it a try, with their parents, we're there to give it to let them, a pun, have a shot. A shot or two. We're trying to encourage we're trying to encourage the outdoors again. That was porn. I didn't get up all night thinking about that.
But
this is school days. This is the first time it's happening up here. And anywhere that we know of, no one has had school days like we're having. As you know, the basic requirement for membership with this little cadre is a smiley face and a willingness to talk to people about that.
To get better, and what we do this weekend is going to be a history, definitely a history-making event for Forest County and for our tribe here in Mole Lake. And I'm sure glad that everyone was willing to take time out of their busy schedules to be with us and to make this thing a success.
Burns about an inch every 5 or 6 minutes.
So you had to keep, you didn't want to just walk around with it burning then?
Oh yeah. Yeah, because how are you going to relight it?
No, but I mean if you were hunting?
Most of the time, they kept their match burning on both ends. If one went out, you could switch it.